Have you heard TD Renovations does garage doors? What? TD Garage Doors, Porte Garage TD, your one-stop shop to home renovations and garage door servicing. Today I'm here to talk to you about the importance of weather stripping on your garage doors, how it keeps the cold out and the heat in. Here's a perfect example of a garage door. PVC weather stripping. It's a little bit newer of a door, so it does hold a better insulation factor, but we can install this on any door, which is going to help keep the cold out, the heat in. Contact us at 514-585-3507. TD Renovations, we make it happen.